It seems the West Indies will play their opening game of the ICC T20 World Cup in India, as Bangladesh's request to move their matches have been rejected by the International Cricket Council, the ICC. Bangladesh, who will play the West Indies in their opening game on February 7, had asked for their games to be switched from India to co-host Sri Lanka, citing safety concerns amid growing tensions between the countries. Indian media reported on Wednesday that Bangladesh had been told to agree to play in India or risk being kicked out of the tournament. Bangladesh are due to play all 4 of their group stage matches in India, including against England in Calcutta on February 14. All of Pakistan's matches will be played in Sri Lanka because of the tensions with India. Bangladesh captain Liton Das told reporters after a domestic match on Tuesday that it was still uncertain whether they'll take part in the tournament. If Bangladesh sticks to their refusal to play in India out of security concerns, the ICC board has decided to replace them with Scotland, that is, based on team rankings in the tournament.